Want to make thumbnails that stops the scroll and get more clicks? In this video, I'll show you how to edit thumbnails like a pro. Even if you're just a beginner, with just few simple tricks, you can turn an average thumbnail into a masterpiece that grabs attention and boosts your views. Watch till the end because I'll also share a secret hack that top YouTubers use to make their thumbnails pop. First step is choosing the right tool. This is very important. First, you need to choose the right tool. Whether it is Canva, Capcut, Photoshop, or even free apps like Snapseed. The key is to choose one that is easy for you to use. Capcut and Canva is beginner friendly, while Photoshop gives you a more advanced control. But no matter what your pick is, the goal is the same. Make your thumbnail bold, clear, and click-worthy. Extra tips. Number 1 is your text should be bold, simple, and easy to read. Number 2, it should always have attention-grabbing look. It's very important. And number 3, don't be afraid to use emojis or arrows to highlight important details on your thumbnail. Let's turn to the other side of the screen so I will show you a more practical hack step on how to edit your thumbnail. So friends, here is a quick tutorial on how to edit your thumbnail using Capcut. The first thing you have to do is to click on Photo Editor to choose the background you want to use for your thumbnail. You can download this from Google. So after choosing the background, click on Add Photo to add the image that you want to use for your thumbnail. So let me just scroll down and click on the image I want to use. Let me click on this. Okay, what I have to do next is to resize it to where I want the image to be. Okay, I have to resize this. Yeah, good. So there is where I want the image to be. So I click on Add Photo to add one of the photos I downloaded from Google. So this is the Capcut logo. I have to click on Cutout to remove the background of this logo and click on Auto Select. So wait a little for the background to be removed. So I tick here. As you can see, the background has already been removed. So all we have to do is to resize it to the position we want it to be, like so. Okay. All right. So the next thing for me to do is to add text and type my title. So this is one of the titles I want to use. So after typing the title, I have to check for the text style that I want to use. I'm going over to the background now, and I want a black background for this text, and I also use a white shadow. Sorry, I'm not using a shadow. So alignment, I want the text to be bold so that it can stand out and people can see it easily. They can read it easily as well. These are some of the cuts. All right, so here it is. The next thing I want to do is to add another text because I want another text here. I'll add another text and type tutorial. Sorry, I want it in capital letter. Tutorial 2025 because I want my thumbnail to be catchy. Alright. So here you have it. We are going to select the background I want to. I want a white background for this, and the text color should be black, and the shadow too. I chose a gray color shadow for this. Alignment, it should be bold. I want the text to be bold and to be in italics. Alright. Sorry, it's raining outside and I have to make this video because I know someone who might be struggling with his or her making a thumbnail. So this video is very important. Though it's raining outside, but I really have to make this video. Alright, please bear with me. So the next thing, to make the colors of the thumbnail pop out, I have to increase the color by using adjustment. I will increase the brightness a little and go over to saturation and increase the color. Yeah, so that my thumbnail will be catchy. Like when anyone sees it, it will be very catchy. Okay, so we have to resize this as well. Okay, so this is it. You can as well add any other icon you want to add or any other text you want to add depending on what your thumbnail is all about.
So this is basically it. Thank you.
Now here is the secret hack I promised. Add a subtle glow or shadow behind your subject to create a floating effect. This small trick makes your thumbnail look more professional and eye-catching. Also try increasing the saturation and sharpness slightly to make colors pop more. A little tweak can make a big difference when it comes to thumbnails. And there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to editing thumbnails like a pro. Now it's time to put these tips and the practical you saw in this video into action. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more YouTube growth hacks. See you in the next one. Bye.